Hey, we are here at the 2025 IAFC Baltimore Hazmat Conference. We are doing some conference interviews to see what's the latest and greatest in the 2025 Baltimore Conference. And we are here with Mark Norman, 908 Devices.
Hey, Mike, how's it going, buddy?
It's doing phenomenal.
Good to
How about
see you again.
Same.
I tell you what, Mike, I've been in this business for 24 years. I've known you guys a long time, and it continues to amaze me, the new innovations we come up with, because I've been doing this from the early days of FTIR.
Yeah,
and
I can only imagine how you've seen everything transition.
And you know what happened, so Red Wave Technology was a small innovative company a few years ago. About this time last year, 908 Devices acquired Red Wave. And so now we're this one-stop shop of the latest in chemical identification, and we have a full suite of products. And it really just represents two companies with a 20-plus year lineage of expertise in instrumentation, coming up with the latest and greatest things to make folks do their jobs more quickly, more safely, and with more confidence.
So I know there's something new on the horizon,
Could
but
be.
what do you guys have here today?
All right, let's just talk what we have so far.
Okay.
So we're going to start with the MX908, okay? So this is our trace detector, the flagship product for 908 Devices for trace residues, solids and liquids, high target threats like fentanyls and Novichok agents, things of that nature. It's set up to do trace analysis now, but we also have ability to do aerosol analysis, so particulates suspended in the air, and then another type of accessory called the beacon, which we can use for autonomous sort of continuous operation remotely.
Okay.
So that's the MX908.
And then we've got the Threat ID.
Move down here, the Threat ID represents sort of the latest generation of field portable FTIR for solids and liquids, but also gases and vapors. So huge libraries, 23,000 solids and liquids, 5,600 gases and vapors, and this is the only device that does all of those phases at once.
So if I want an all in everything, this is
your
my
guy.
baby.
Exactly.
Okay.
But if you want something a little smaller and something more dedicated for solids and liquids, we have the Protector. So same exact capabilities as the Threat ID, but only for solids and liquids. Has advanced mixture analysis for solids and liquids to give you 3, 4, 5 components, which is quite impressive. And it really comes down to the data analytics that we at 908 Devices have really been focused on to improve confidence of results in the field.
So smaller but no less powerful.
Exactly. Simple 3-button operation, downrange, get an answer quickly. Now,
and then this bad boy.
The Explorer, one of my favorites. And I've talked to you about it before, Mike. I am so excited about this product. It's handheld, gas identification, downrange, and library of 5,600 compounds, just the same as the Threat ID with the gas cell. But it also has some capabilities where it does what's called adaptive atmospheric compensation, where you can get your background in a very cold, dry environment. You can go downrange where it's hot and humid, and this thing doesn't care. All the operator has to do is just push the button, look at the result, get your answers, and you're good to go. So, and it, by the way, not only identifies, but it also quantifies. So we threw that in there. Quantifies 5,000 gases and vapors without calibration and without any correction factors. It's the beauty of FTIR.
That is absolutely insane.
So
now, what I've been waiting for.
All right, well, so this is all great stuff.
Yes.
And when I saw this, I was amazed.
Okay.
But at this conference, we have something a little new to show you. So if you want to come into the
mind
VIP area, I'll just give you a little taste of what we under this shroud. So, we talked about the MX908, that's mass spec. We talked about the Threat ID and the Protector and Explorer, that's FTIR. Most folks know that you can use Raman and FTIR together to get more confident results. Well, that's nice if you have two devices and measuring the sample two different ways, okay? What we're showing here, and I can't really tell you too much about it yet, you have to wait until the official launch happens.
Okay.
But just put it this way, Mike. Imagine you can take a single sample, solid or liquid, okay? You can measure it once, 3 technologies will do an analysis, and you get one answer.
All in one device, one sample,
One device,
in one shot.
one sample, one answer. All you have to do as the operator is put the sample on, push a button, and you're done. And besides that, you are supported by our unparalleled reachback service, 24/7 support, and that's what we do at 908 Devices. Continue to innovate and provide capabilities that make you do your job faster, more safely, and more confidently.
So it's not just using separate devices. These devices are coming together to think together, compare together, and give you
in a
an
way you can't
identification.
even imagine. So
I cannot
I
wait to
can't
see
wait.
this.
Stop by booth 611. You don't need to know the number. Just look for the big crowd clamoring to see what we're showing here today. We're right outside the exhibit hall on the main floor. And Mike, thank you so much for the chance to talk
Mark,
to you.
thank you.
And
I am disappointed I can't peek under this, but I'm sworn to secrecy.
it's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks, folks.